Hello friends, welcome to my video. I hope you are keeping yourself safe from COVID-19, and while you are at home, it is a great opportunity to learn new things. Today, through this video, we are going to learn how to create a free JAMstack blog using Draftbox, Heroku and Netlify. You don't need to know any coding, you don't need to be a developer. Yes, there is no requirement of coding knowledge to create this blog. We will create a supreme JAMstack blog using 3 simple steps without any coding and without any investment. Now, what is JAMstack? If you go to the official website of JAMstack, that is jamstack.org, you will find the JAMstack is a technology which provides fast and secure sites which are pre-rendered into static pages and served from a CDN, content delivery network, like Netlify. We are going to use Netlify CDN in our video. Now let me break it down for you. Stack here means layers of technology that JAMstack is using. Jam is the thing which is JavaScript, APIs and markup. JavaScript is used to render a static front end using popular static site generators like Gatsby, Hugo, JQ. You can find more about them if you Google a little. Static site generators. Then there is markup. I will come to APIs a little later. Markup is just like HTML. I know it's different, but to just draw a parallel, like you create a structure in HTML, same way you create your content, your structure, your blogs in markup. Markup is very easy, and you do not need to learn markup because we are going to use Ghost CMS, which will create posts in markup for you. So you do not need to go in details of everything, you just need to know about these things. And APIs are that part which connect your front end to Ghost CMS and pull contents from there to your static front end. So that's what JAMstack is all about. If you want to learn more about JAMstack, it's a beautiful opportunity. They are holding a virtual conference, first time virtual conference on May 27th and 28th, registration for which is free. You can go to their official website and register for it and learn more about JAMstack. Now we are going to create a JAMstack blog using Draftbox here. Draftbox works like API here, API in front end. It gives you a static front end and creates APIs to connect to your Ghost CMS, and you are ready with your JAMstack blog. On their official website, that is draftbox.co, you can read more about Draftbox, and you can use your popular content management systems like WordPress and Ghost to create a JAMstack website. Now Draftbox uses Gatsby. Gatsby is a static site generator to create a static front end of your website or blog. Right now we are creating a blog because for now Draftbox only supports blog. Now there's a question which arises here: why not create our blogs using WordPress and Ghost CMS? Now WordPress as a CMS is a beautiful CMS. It creates beautiful websites and blogs, but there is always a but. It has certain performance issues. When it comes to load speeds, they might vary from 5 seconds to 10 seconds, and you need to use a bundle of plugins to achieve a desired result. Whereas the JAMstack technology using Draftbox gives you added advantage of having accelerated mobile pages and progressive web apps bundled into the static front end that Draftbox provides us. So that there are certain goodies that we get along with JAMstack using Draftbox, and we do not need to do too many things to achieve it. It's very simple, 3 steps, you follow along, you create a beautiful JAMstack blog for yourself. So first of all, you need to create accounts on 3 platforms, that is draftbox.co, heroku.com. Heroku.com will be used to deploy your Ghost Headless CMS, which we will use to create our posts blog actually. Netlify, you need to create an account here because this will be used to host the static front end of your blog. Go ahead and create your accounts on these 3 platforms to follow along. Once you are done creating your account on Heroku.com, you need to do a little setting in your account to remove restrictions and build this blog successfully. All you need to do is go to your Heroku account after you have logged in, click here on this icon, your avatar, go to account settings, go to billing and provide your billing information. It might be a credit card or whatever they accept. Trust me, you won't be charged for it. They provide 1000 free dyno hours for users who provide their credit card information. It is for verification purposes only. I have been running my Heroku account and multiple blogs on it for last 3 months, and I have not been charged even a single penny. You can see the reports for March and April. So you can go ahead and provide your billing information and then follow along. Once you are done with it and you have created accounts on all 3 platforms, just go to this link which is provided in the description of this video, where you have this deploy to Heroku button. Scroll down the page and find this button and click on it. When you click on it, it takes you to Heroku and on a page where we create a new app. You need to give your app a name. Whatever blog you want to create on, whatever subject you are planning to write blogs on, you can give that name to this app. I'm going to give it Foodies Heaven. I'm going to write just imaginary blog on foods. And it is available. Great. Copy this app name and come down, select your app name and replace it with the name that you have given to your app. You do not need to touch any of these settings. If you are a developer, you can go ahead and play with the settings to optimize your app. Otherwise, just scroll down and deploy. Click on deploy app. Now, if you have not provided your credit card information or your billing information, you might end up having an error here which says that your account is not eligible for some installations, some free apps that come with this deployment like Mailgun. So go ahead and provide your billing information and you will be successfully deploying this app to Heroku. This will take some time. We will pause and come back when it is done and continue. Okay, it is successfully deployed and I can see the message, your app was successfully deployed. Now all you need to do is click on view and it will take you through Ghost admin configuration. You need to create an account, admin account, to log in. So create your account, give your website a name, Foodie is having for me your full name, your email address. It will be required to log in, and then your password. Click on last step. Now you can skip this step and do this later from your Ghost admin panel. So just click on I'll do this later, and you'll be taken to Ghost admin panel, which will also show you your front end, the front end of this Ghost CMS. Now we are not going to use this front end, we are going to use a static front end created by Draftbox for us. So we need to switch it off, otherwise there will be SEO contradictions. We will have two front ends for the same blog, which is not good for SEO. So go to General under Settings, scroll down, come to Advanced Settings and make this site private. Click on this button and it will make your website private. By private, what it does, it shuts down the front end of this CMS and also blocks search engine robots from finding this website. Completely secure. That's how JAMstack is supposed to be. So just click on Save Settings after this. Also, this Ghost installation comes up with sample posts, sample blogs, which you do not need. Those are posts created by Ghost itself. So you need to delete all this and create your own posts later, whatever you plan to write. So go to Labs under Settings, scroll down, or not, do not scroll down, just find delete all content and click on delete. It will only delete the posts that come with Ghost CMS. Now you're good to go. Now we will move to Draftbox and go ahead with other steps. Go to Draftbox. I hope you have signed up and logged in. You are greeted with this interface. This is Draftbox wizard, which takes you through the process of connecting Ghost CMS and generating a static front end for your site and deploying it on Netlify and in the same time. So click on blog. Right now they only have blog option. Continue to CMS. You can choose WordPress or Ghost. Right now we are doing it with Ghost. In the next video I will come up with WordPress. Click on Ghost. Continue to theme. You can choose a theme. You can see the preview for it. Now if you see this is the static front end which Ghost will create for you, Draftbox will create for you. Go back, choose this theme, continue to blog settings. Now you need to provide your blog link here. Go to your Ghost admin panel, select your URL, leave the Ghost part, do not copy this because that is to access the admin part. Copy it, go to wizard, copy paste your link and click on continue. You need to provide content API key which will pull content from your Ghost blog. So go to your Ghost admin panel, under settings go to integrations, click on add custom integration, give it a name Draftbox and create it. You will be provided with a content API key. Copy it from here, go to wizard, paste it and continue to hosting. Now here you need to link your Netlify account after you have signed up for it. Click on connect and follow the procedure and connect your Netlify account with Draftbox. Once it is connected, you will see this green mark here, green tick here, then continue to publish. Now it will take some time to publish your static front end on Netlify, and if you face any issues while this building of your site, if it fails, you can contact Draftbox support by clicking on this chat button and you can ask their support. The support is fantastic. It does take time, they take time, but they give you proper reply, proper response and resolve your errors. So while it is doing, we will pause this video and come back when it is done and continue. Cheers, you are done. The site has been successfully deployed on Netlify. Go to site dashboard, click on this link and you can see the front end of your website. Posts here, you need to create posts in your Ghost CMS to appear here. Before that, we need to do a little setting. Go to CMS section of your dashboard, Draftbox dashboard, and we need to integrate this with Ghost admin panel. Go to integrations, you already are in that. If you are not, click again on integrations, then Draftbox, and you will be here. Click on add webhook, go back to Draftbox dashboard, scroll down and copy this name, Draftbox rebuild, paste it here. Paste it here. Select an event called site change rebuild. What you are doing is you are creating a webhook. This is the API part, which triggers a rebuild on the static front end whenever you change, whenever you create a new post or change a setting in your Ghost admin panel. Now go back to Draftbox dashboard and click this, copy this API link, paste it here and click on create. This is done and click on save. It says not triggered because you have not created any content right now. So let's go ahead and create some posts. Give it a title, my first post. This is my first post on my blog. Or you can just copy paste some dummy content here. Click on settings here. You can upload an image. I will upload this image. In some other video, I will cover all these settings in Ghost CMS, how to go through these settings and optimize your post. For now, just click on this publish button and publish it. We have successfully published our first post. Now if you go to Draftbox dashboard, go back to overview, and you can see that it is rebuilding your static front end. If you click on view details, it is building up your static front end. So wait for this. Once it is done, we will come back and continue. Okay, it is done. Your site has been successfully rebuilt and published. Close it. Go back to your website, click on this link and refresh it once or twice, and you can see your first post that you created. So whenever you create a post, Draftbox rebuilds your static front end and shows the content you have created in your Ghost admin panel. Now if you click on this post, you can see everything. You can see the share buttons as well. Now the beauty of this, having this JAMstack blog with a static front end, is you have inbuilt AMP, accelerated mobile pages, for your posts, and PWA. What do I mean by AMP? If you type you have an AMP post for your blog. AMP is latest technology. If you Google about it, you will learn more about it. Go back to your home page, and then PWA, this is the part. If you see here, there is a plus button. You can install this as an app on your desktop, and if you're on mobile, it installs this app on your mobile phone. Click on this and it says install the app. You can use it as an app on your desktop or phone. So this is the beauty of having JAMstack static front-end website or blog with Draftbox. Now let us check few forms that they have given here. This is the subscription form and contact us form built into your static front end. Now if you provide some information here, let us provide some information here. Hello, submit it. Okay, we will also subscribe to it. Subscribe. We have done the both the things. Go back to your dashboard, go to forms tab, refresh your dashboard once, go back to forms, and you should be able to see both submissions, subscription form and contact form submission. If you click on this, you can see the details of the message you received. Beautiful. Let us go through some more settings of this Draftbox dashboard. If you go to integrations part, you can integrate your Google Analytics code to analyze the traffic on your blog. Just click on it, provide your UAID and click on save, and it rebuilds your site and your Google Analytics code is integrated into your blog. Go back to integrations and you can integrate Disqus comments into your blog. I already have a Disqus account. You can create a Disqus account and you will be provided with a Disqus short name that you can provide here. My Disqus short name is this. If I save it and go back to overview, it starts rebuilding the static front end and integrate Disqus comments into it. So once it is finished, you will be able to see Disqus comments. Okay, your website is live after integrating Disqus comments. Click on this, go to post, and if you refresh it, here you have Disqus comments inbuilt, integrated into your posts. Now few other settings. If you are not happy with your website, blog that is uploaded, you can go ahead and delete and then redo everything. If you are a developer, a coding expert, you can go ahead and export your code and modify it to your liking. So this is what we achieved through this video. I hope you liked it and helped you create a JAMstack blog with simple steps and few simple steps. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and stay tuned for more videos to come in future. Thanks a lot guys, love you all, stay home, stay safe.